We live in a broken world. Maraming pusong pagod, sugatan, o naghihilom pa lang. And sometimes, you feel that too. Kaya today, simple lang ang goal. Gusto kitang i-remind how vital your love is. Your love makes a difference. Kung minsan napapaisip ka siguro, worth it pa ba na magmahal, maging patient, maging kind? Siyempre naman, kasi bawat tao na makakasalubong mo today, may bitbit na kwento, may pinagdadaanan. Minsan, mas mabigat pa sa grocery cart mo pag end of the month. Konting lambing, konting ngiti, konting grace. Minsan, yun na ang highlight ng araw nila. Try this. Next time may sumagot ng short or medyo irritable, instead of reacting, isipin mo, baka lowbat lang o kailangan lang ng konting kindness. You lose nothing when you choose love, pero you might give someone the one thing they needed most. So kahit broken ang mundo, your love can make people breathe again. Your love can remind them na may pag-asa. At hindi mo kailangang maging perfect para mag-spread ng love. Kailangan mo lang maging willing. Go out there today. Love well. Small things count. And your heart, kahit pagod minsan, still has power to heal.